Hi, this following message about elder justice is brought to you by the Center of Excellence on Elder Abuse and Neglect in the program in geriatrics at the University of California, Irvine. In March of this year, legendary actor Mickey Rooney appeared before the U.S. Senate Aging Committee. Mr. Rooney appeared and told his own personal story about being an elder abuse victim. While Mickey Rooney himself was moved to tears as he told his story, he was also a strong advocate and implored the senators to do more about the growing problem of elder abuse in the United States. Elder abuse is the last frontier in the federal response to family violence. The first protective legislation passed by Congress actually protected animals in 1966, followed in 1974 by the Child Abuse Prevention Act, and in 1994, the Violence Against Women Act. It was just last year, in 2010, that the Elder Justice Act, representing protection of vulnerable adults, was passed by Congress. In the total pie of funding for family violence at the federal level, the elder abuse portion takes up less than 1%. Perhaps this is because there is a shortage of elders in the United States. A quick look at the 2010 census tells us that this is not the case. The fastest growing population cohort in the United States are the oldest old, those 85 and over. Starting in 2010, every day 10,000 Americans will turn 65, and this will go on for the next 18 years. The Elder Justice Act was passed in 2010. And this year, in President Obama's budget, he included $21.5 million for the Elder Justice Act. This funding would support research, elder rights programs, training, and coalition building. However, to date, no funds have been appropriated for the Elder Justice Act, which means that services for abused seniors have not been put into place. In June of this year, in commemoration of World Elder Abuse Awareness Day, the Center of Excellence on Elder Abuse and Neglect, along with the National Adult Protective Services Association and the Elder Justice Coalition, sent out over 30,000 postcards to elder abuse advocates all over the United States. If you were one of the more than 100 agencies that requested postcards, those cards now need to be sent to the Elder Justice Coalition in Washington, D.C. When they receive the postcards, they will collect them and take them up to Capitol Hill, where what we hope to be a dramatic presentation of 30,000 postcards will compel Congress to finally appropriate funds for the Elder Justice Act. Be sure to send your postcards to the Elder Justice Coalition before July 15th. Here at the Center of Excellence at the University of California, Irvine, we can imagine a world without elder abuse, and we know you can too. Let's now make sure that Congress joins us as we imagine a world without elder abuse. Thanks for your activity. Thanks for your advocacy on behalf of vulnerable adults.